Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Arrived Homes for fractional real estate investing, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Arrived Homes website. Once there, navigate to the Invest section on the homepage. Review the information provided about fractional real estate investing. Click on the Browse Properties button to explore available listings. Select a property that interests you to view detailed information. Take the time to review the property details, including location, price, and projected returns. If you're satisfied with your choice, click the Invest Now button. You will be prompted to create an account if you haven't done so already. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once your account is set up, log in using your new credentials. After logging in, revisit the property you wish to invest in. Enter the amount you wish to invest. Review the investment terms and conditions presented to you. Confirm that you understand the risks associated with real estate investment. Once ready, click the Proceed to Checkout button. Add any necessary payment information to complete the transaction. After completing your investment, you will receive a confirmation email. Keep this email for your records and future reference. You can monitor your investment through your profile on the Arrived Homes platform. Consider exploring other properties in the future to diversify your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.